Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn about numerical comparisons in Python. Testing numerical values is pretty straightforward in Python. For example, we are going to write a code to check whether the person is 21 years old. So let's see if we have a age variable and set its value to 21, then we are going to check. So we are going to check age equals to 21. We're just gonna print the return result of this statement. So let's run our code and we get the true as a return. And we are going to check for inequality. If we are going to see if two numbers are not equal, and our code will print a message. So for example, we have some answer set to 15, and we have condition if answer is not equals to 50, we are going to print a message that is not the correct answer. So the condition over here, the test will pass because the answer value, which is 15, is not equals to 50. So this message will be printed. So let's run our code and check. So we get this message that is not the correct answer. And we can go back. We can also include various mathematical comparisons in our conditional statements as well, such as less than or equal to, greater than, and greater than equal to. So let's see if we have age set to 12, and we can do print age is less than 21. This will print true, and then we go age less than or equal to 21. This should also print true because it is less than 21. And then we are going to check if age is greater than 21. That's not true, so it should print false. And then we are going to check if the age is greater or equal to 21. So age is greater or equal to 21. No, that's not the case, so this should also print false. The first two will print true, and these last ones will print false. So the first two test result are true, and the last one return false. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code. Like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.